Zarya, and Mercy. I'm thinking.
Do we want to
Yes.
try? Do we want to try having Malibu on Mercy and I play Zen and just see how like the calls are still? Or...
We can, but they probably won't be very good. I think I want to do double snipers here.
Double sniper. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, let's just.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to.
I mean,
I would
Junkrat
go
could be
Brig
around
if
here, but
not.
it's like not consistent.
Brig? Okay.
Yeah.
But
Probably
it's up to you
Brig
guys. Do you
Hanzo.
want Brig or Hanzo?
I think we should do
We
Brick
need Hanzo.
Upi go Hanzo and then putting.
Upi go Hanzo, okay.
Okay.
We need to combo.
Yeah, we need guaranteed kills, bro.
I think second point double snipers might be okay, but third
Yeah.
point we should definitely keep this strat or like this comp we have right now, or at least get a Junkrat maybe.
Yeah, you can put a turret right here.
I'm streaming now, Malibu.
Okay. What is the link?
Just click on my Discord name. It's Bodine OW though.
I want to play Dark Souls.
Clear, calm.
Shut your whore mouth, woman.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! They have a widow? Widow?
Alright.
What's shield?
I don't know what comp is yet. Okay, they're doing dive.
Top
Yeah.
one.
So
28.
we're gonna
Play up
we're gonna
top, play
do
up
the
top.
monkey first. We're gonna kill monkey first.
I don't know. Want to drop too early, so just I'll
We're
probably.
going left, 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 left,
They're
left, left,
flanking,
left.
yeah. Genji one,
just
Genji
put it-
one. Fuck,
Mercy
so
at
he's
top,
not.
Mercy half.
I got knocked off.
You did?
Winston,
Okay.
Winston.
We're in Winston, we're in Winston.
Keep it,
Monkey,
keep
monkey
it right now.
Oh,
Widow actually won.
Hi, no, you're out of position.
I'm on. Fuck.
Is that dead?
I'm being bullied. I can shatter soon.
we split up. We should have stayed boots.
I got knocked off the first point.
Yeah, we're so split. Like, oh my.
We can switch stuff
Yeah,
now.
we were
Not
dead.
me anymore. Split. Why do we all like go chase people off the point?
I just said
I
I
was,
got booped
I was
off.
getting booped around, yeah.
The diva literally booped like 3 of us.
Okay, I have shatter here.
I can't call with this. Yasmin.
Yeah.
Alright, we have Ryan back.
Okay, okay.
Widow, top the gun. Careful.
Monkey's here, Monkey's here.
Nice.
Nice. Walk up on this. Walk up on this.
Monkey's on me.
Monkey low up top.
Door.
Monkey low top, monkey low top.
They're gonna die with
Ooh,
secrets.
we're gonna contest point now.
I have a rally.
Fuck you guys, you
Player
can't
and
win.
monkey.
I'm gonna use it because they don't have a grab. or
Monkey's back,
anything.
monkey's back.
Mercy on the right.
Call the discourse.
Wow, no
Monkey
rank.
just going in. Hold on. Diva, 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 Diva.
Diva, one Diva, one Diva.
No Mac.
Okay, I got her out.
I'll stay
Back,
for
back, back,
combo.
back.
Widow's like in
Yeah,
the
just
back.
back
She has walls, she has walls,
Hold
she's
this
like
choke,
on
hold this
point.
choke.
No shield.
And watch that flank.
Yeah, I'm keeping an eye out on it.
Widow top,
You
Widow
just
top.
you just focus on main. B will.
Malibu, stay left side. Malibu, stay left side. Watch out for the flank left side though.
No one's on
Keep
left.
my eye out.
Ayo's got it.
I'm grabbing
Okay,
here.
Winston just
Wait, not
warded.
yet, not yet,
Winston?
not yet.
Oh, they are
Their
flanking.
supports are free.
They're all on this in the back. Winston low.
Grab now.
I'm not there.
Oh,
It was to get the Genji.
I got him.
still web anyway.
I'm being booped so hard.
Focus targets.
Dude,
Keep
where even
calling.
are you?
Diva,
Where are we
Diva,
calling?
Diva, Diva, Diva.
Diva out of
I'm not
mech.
calling anything.
Okay.
Honestly, that was fine though. They're getting no push and they use tramps.
Yeah.
This
Winston
diamond
still
card.
up top.
I have shatter coming back. Nice, dude. Nice.
Nice.
I'm gonna come through close.
I'm with you, I'm with you.
There's a diva back here, dude.
Oh,
Diva's
Widow
shield up,
left.
shield up,
just-
shield up.
Then one.
I'm shattering. I'm
Oh,
shattering.
fuck
Shatter,
me, dude.
shatter. Widow on cart.
Thought there was a shield up.
Nice.
You have no heals, no heals, no heals.
Just
Don't
go
be too
back.
aggro.
I have grab again.
Don't use
Alright.
it. Don't use it. We don't need it.
Yeah,
Heal
yeah,
coming
yeah.
back.
Hey yo,
When
taxi
did Zen ult?
Malibu.
When was the last time Zen ulted? You
Oh,
just
Oh,
fight,
yeah.
Idea?
He just like that
He
fight.
just ulted? Okay.
Oh, Wait,
We're gonna, we can grab
Like,
dry.
right at the beginning of that
Right
fight, but it was a
We
long
can grab
fight,
dry.
so.
We
Hey,
can
Ryan's
grab
area.
and build combo if you want.
Yeah. Help me build shatter.
Widow's
Hold on,
behind,
hold on.
like, right before the entryway.
When they push,
Should
you
I
can
just
grab
grab?
them. When they push, you can grab them now. Grab them now.
Ryan Shatter.
Huge, go in.
Hanzo up top. Hanzo up top one, discorded.
I see
Where's
it.
up? Where is up top?
On the right, on the
gun?
stairs,
Yeah,
the stairs.
All right, now we got shatter.
Yep.
Bodin, go push him if you can.
Don't go too deep.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah,
risk it.
Bloody, come back. Okay.
He's down.
Middle lane.
Good job. All right, we're gonna shadow him next.
Combo shield bash, okay?
Okay.
Play this choke. Let them all walk through.
Do that whenever they.
Fuck.
They have
Let them
walls.
push past the choke. Let them push back. Push past
Yeah,
the
well, let them walk
choke.
in. Bodhi, get in position.
Do not drop your
I
shield.
am, I am.
Oh, they're going around.
Hey, yeah, just fucking.
Rotate. Rotate to the right.
Widow's still main. Be careful, careful.
Yeah, she's right next to Ryan. She's gonna go up top now.
This is
They probably have grab.
Low shield.
No, they don't. She just switched and she hasn't done
Thank you.
damage.
Low shield.
Yeah.
Back up around the wall. Play the wall.
Send discorded one.
I almost
Ready,
have rally.
I'm ulting.
2.
Huge.
1.
I couldn't get him in time. He was bubbled.
I'm catching two.
Hanzo cart.
Widow's coming back.
Hanzo on my body.
Send in the back.
Nice.
Get this right. Right. Ryan one. Now Saria.
Thank you.
Nice, guys. Nice peel.
Yeah, good job.
That was great.
I have grab again. Let's
Yeah,
go.
we're gonna grab next. We're gonna.
You don't have grab yet.
Still have Widow.
Yeah. Just here.
Here, I'm gonna give you energy. Ready?
Clear,
Thank you.
clear.
They have a Hanzo now.
They have.
Others looking
Oh,
for
they've
the
had
Hanzo.
one.
They
They've
shields
had
up.
one.
She has grabbed this fight.
There's shatter too.
No trance.
Focus Arya.
Okay, discord on Saria.
I'm hammered.
Fuck. I'm dead.
Can we grab wipe?
Yeah, we can.
Go.
Alright.
Damage was
I'm down.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I was
They're
just
not
like-
transing. They're not
Get
transing.
Ryan. Mercy, Widow.
Stay behind the cart.
Play cart. Alright, I'm coming back with Bodine. Alright, back up a bit. Do.
Shatter soon.
Just play a bit less aggro.
Okay, so they still have grab and
They're left side.
They have-
They're left side.
they probably have combo still. And
Alright,
trance.
they still have double snipers.
I can't get you, B.
I'm
I'm res. Fuck.
Just wipe. It's fine.
That's fine. Yeah. Alright, we're coming up on
Yeah,
Shatter
they're gonna
and Zenol. Can you get out? With your
Yeah.
charge? Yes.
I'm getting out.
Promise
I'm
I
going
was
Widow
like-
right here. Cause
Yeah.
break.
Yeah.
Ryan one.
Alright.
Nice.
Let's go.
I have trance.
You shatter whenever you get it.
Hanzo one. Dead.
You hold up.
That's good. We traded big.
Huge shatter. Good job.
That's
What
what
would
you
you
get
do?
for chasing.
Mercy on.
Fuck out of my.
God, that scared me.
I got the biggest, like, sexiest grapple dink on that
Yeah, what
Zarya.
the fuck? They all just died before we got to point. I literally just did a cleanup.
Yeah, I came out and dinked her, and then when she got res, dinked her.
Their
again.
Hanzo just got greedy with damage.
Ryan chase.
Nipped him. We could go. Yeah, we can easily go dive. Are we host or no?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
This is a super like death volley map though. I feel like dive here is just like using.
We can Lucio that.
Honestly,
Because
There
they,
it works
I
well.
feel like
I
they
want
would
my
go
map on
brig.
attack.
can we quad?
Quad tank.
Just
Sure, you
fucking
wanna go
roll
comp?
them? Go comp, we can. Yeah.
Okay, let's do go con. That's actually
Okay.
should be perfect here.
Yeah. Okay. Wait a minute.
You play Moira, you retard.
Whoa.
Something's not right here.
Oh
my
wait,
God.
I'm streaming.
No.
Dang it!
That is a Christian stream, sir.
Nice stream, retard.
Alright. Oh yeah, I found something earlier.
What?
Here we go. I'm not on the spawn room, it says.
Wait. Oh.
Yeah, a lot of spawns are like that.
Where?
Up here.
I
Look
learned
up.
this by
Oh.
trying to glitch out of the map on a few maps.
You bitch. Alright. Sounds good. Nothing wrong with this
How
comp.
do you get up there?
I want Farah.
I know you went there, but I can't while right up there.
Get off. I'll show you, nerd.
Ah.
Go pick heroes. pick
Easy.
heroes, Come on. Real comp, real comp.
Are we going left?
We're gonna go
Sure,
right
yeah.
side, right side, right side.
Right side.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can push right along
under?
the wall and straight on. No, just push right on the point.
Oh okay.
Push right. Avoid them.
Like in here?
Yeah.
All the way around or just on the
No,
point?
just in, just in.
They have snipers.
Mercy,
Where
Mercy,
is it?
Mercy.
Top?
Fireside?
Nope, not Mercy.
No more.
Hanzo
No more.
alone.
Don't
He's
want up
gone.
top.
Ryan.
Run.
Break, help
Put it on
break.
me. Okay.
Hanzo, high ground, dead.
Double
Sorry.
sniper doesn't really like this guy. Run one.
Ryan one.
I need
Send,
heals.
send,
Keep me
send
up,
him
keep me
back
up,
left, send
keep
him
me
back
up.
left.
Sorry, no
One
person.
done?
No more heals.
Keep me up, keep me up, keep me up.
No more heals. I'm sorry.
Wow.
Yeah, Mora
we
got
lost
picked
that.
first.
What the
We have-
fuck?
Mora got picked first.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
right at the start, and then...
Our tower call is not the same as it was yesterday.
Itch.
Orion, like,
Snipe
would
me.
have just sat on point.
You wanna go bottom left?
Yeah, go left. I don't like going right at all on this map.
Okay.
So I can actually hold shield for you guys.
I have rally.
I'm amping in 3, 2, 1 now. I'm gonna go up and...
Zarya,
take
do you guys?
those-
Zarya, do you guys? She's have? On point.
Ryan,
Zarya on
Ryan,
point.
or Zarya. Nice.
Then one.
Run.
There's two snipers are main.
Zen... Yes!
Wow.
What a trance, what a
the
trance.
fuck?
Just hold up. Take this fight, take this try.
Push. Be aggressive.
Take Zen.
Yeah, go, go, go.
I'm on point. I'm on point.
Hanzo, one. Zen.
Slowly. Kill them slowly. Okay,
Nice.
No.
Mercy!
It's fine. Come back. They're all back now.
Fucking bitch. I was gonna go for it.
Oh my god.
That's fine, you're a baby. Okay,
I'm gonna rest for you.
We have grab.
We should do the
We
D.Va
have grab
combo.
and
Just
D.Va.
They use chance.
place
They
it
use chance,
right
that's
in it. Just place
Hold
it
up, I
in the
wanna-
middle.
fine. No, they use chance. It's fine.
I know,
It's fine.
I know. We're just.
We're gonna grab D.Va. Or no, actually, they use trance, we're gonna swing into it. Fuck.
Okay, that's fine.
Take the wipe. Back up, D.Va.
Get out.
Die quick.
Should we swap off or stay?
No, this is fine.
I think this is fine. We can keep it.
Okay. As long as we're in the ground war.
charge,
let's
watch
not
the
push
charge.
too much. Hanzo right. Hanzo on the right.
Ignore him.
They have
Grab
shatter.
soon, grab fast.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Too much damage?
I'm gonna do it.
Do it. Huge!
Oh.
It was a little too early.
It's
Oh,
fine. It's fine.
Sorry, Hanzo.
That's
I
okay.
think there's a widow. No, Mercy's still alive.
Mercy.
I'm gonna solo shatter if I
Oh,
find it.
Mercy
I
died.
was doing
Okay.
What is the countdown for, or like, not countdown, how long does it take D.Va Bomb to explode? 5?
About 3 seconds.
Oh, me, dude.
2-3 seconds.
They have shatter. I need
I've got lessons,
Cody,
I've got
I need you with me, okay?
I'm staying on the side. I'm gonna put
They're giving it to
We got
us.
point. We got point.
Get in.
Walk up.
Widows over here with me.
You're by yourself, Malibu.
They have no right no bubble.
No more heals. I'm on cart.
I don't have a shot.
Fucking hell, dude.
It's fine. We baited out Shatter.
Yeah, it's
so-
my fault, but like, damn, dude. Cody, should I make
Back
a
up.
Alright.
Get out. Get out.
Back up.
I didn't have stun. I had to bash to keep up with you.
Oh.
That's
Okay.
why, that's what I mean when I say you, like, need to not rush all the time.
Well, that was the prime time to go aggressive on them.
I've
I
caught
have
lessons.
bullshit.
Let's engage here.
We're going.
We're going.
Call
On the
lessons.
far right.
Hanzo
Okay.
right. Hanzo far right.
Okay, leave him.
I'm beating for you.
I ate it.
Huge.
Oh my god, you're insane.
We're chasing him. What you
On
want,
the
kid?
dead. Nice.
Alright, flagrant. Put it. Oh.
Sorry,
Oh,
high charge.
shit.
Sorry, high charge on left. Kill this Zarya, please. For fuck's sake, dude. She's gonna kill me.
No, you're good.
No, she's not. You killed her.
Yeah,
I'll
but
have
she
healed
got
you.
grab off me. She literally got 50% of roll.
Yeah, she has
Did
that
she?
now.
Okay.
No, she does
Sorry,
not have
There's
There's no
grab.
way.
Priority.
She just grabbed. They have hog.
She's
now.
50.
They're triple. They're triple. They're triple. They're triple.
I
They're
shattered.
gonna have hog.
Voting, get in position.
Yeah,
We
I'm
can
gonna
combo
save.
again.
Okay, you're really low.
Ryan.
Ready?
Shoot.
I'll do it if this isn't.
Zen
really-
down.
Nice.
In the back. Hanzo in the back. Hanzo in the back.
There's
Mercy,
one.
Mercy behind us.
Bitch. Mercy.
Come on,
Up top. Alright, I'm going up for a boot.
Fuck that
no.
stall,
Hey, good
dude.
job.
I'm gonna grab some weather.
Also, Obi, when you're like screaming for the Zarya like that, also be aware me and Malibu went and flanked around,
We
Get the
flanked
Hanzo.
and killed the Hanzo.
like all the way on the right, because he was flanking and he was an easy kill for us. Which without